Okay, today we are going to discuss about very interesting subject. How to make your first USD dollar 1 million, right? Okay, this way that I am going to share, I will take you very fast to this goal, right? So listen carefully, understand it properly. If you have anything to get more clarity, you can comment under this video, send your question, and I will be there to help you to get the clarity further, right? Okay, then don't forget to subscribe this channel and like this video, because you will get further more videos related to this special subject, right? Hope everyone ready. Now we are going to get to know the fastest way to make USD dollar 1 million in this business. Okay, 3000 BB on your left, 3000 BB on your right, you will make $225. Okay, second assumption, when you start your business, when you get sign up with QNet, to get your first two direct referrals, right? It can be within few hours, it can be within 2 days, 48 hours, right? It can be within 1 week, 1 month, but I need to make an assumption, right? To make it average, to make it simple, right? I'm telling you, I'm making an assumption, right? Once you get sign up with QNet, let's say it takes 2 months to get activated, or 2 months to get your first two direct referrals. Are you clear? Is it easy? Definitely. Okay, that is second assumption, right? My third assumption, what is that? Okay, to get signed with QNet, let's assume everybody of your organization, everybody in your organization will purchase minimum 3000 BB. Okay, will purchase, everyone in your organization to get sign up will purchase 3000 BB. Okay, we made the third assumption. To get sign up, everyone in your organization will purchase minimum 3000. It will take some time, you will do the studies, you will go through videos, you will get your upliners council, and it will take 2 months, right? After 2 months, what should be happen? You will get two direct referrals, because you have done so many 5 core activities, so many presentations within these 2 months. Okay, now you are getting your first two direct referrals. Let's say A and B. Okay, now we made few assumptions, right? We made few assumptions. What is the first assumption? 3000 BB. It is not an assumption, it is actual thing, right? 3000 to 3000, $225. What is the second assumption? To get activated, right? To find your first two direct referral, it will take 2 months. Third one, minimum sign up will be by 3000 BB. Okay, so if those assumptions are applying here, now he has started the business with 3000 BB, and he has started the business with 3000 BB. So how much will you make after 2 months? You will make after 2 months $225. Okay, so we call this as your level 1, right? This is your level 1. Okay, we are helping this A and B to get activated, right? Let's assume to get them activated, it will take another 2 months. That means after another 2 months, A will get activated. Each one of these people will purchase minimum 3000 BB, and B will get activated. Each one of these people will purchase 3000 BB. So 6000 BB coming from your left hand side, so 6000 BB coming from your right hand side. What will be your income after 2 months? $450. We are going to help these people through him, and these people C and D to get activated. When C and D getting activated, you are getting another 4 sales happening on your left. And when you are helping E and F through B to get activated, you are getting another 4 sales from your right hand side. And we know each sales generating 3000 BB to you. So what would be your income after another 2 months? Your income will be $900, and you have completed up to level 3 in your organization. Let's see what is the next step. Okay, what has happened when you are completing the level 4 is, right, you have been able to develop 50 distributors on your left and 50 distributors on your right. How much of time it has been taken? 2 months to activate your first level 1. How much of time you have been taken for that? How much of time you have spent for that? You have taken 2 months to get activated yourself, and you have taken 2 months to activate your first 2 direct referrals. Likewise, each level it has been taken 2 months to get activated the existing new IRs, right? So what has happened after level 4? After how many months? 2, 4, 6, 8. After 8 months, you have 15 business partners, 15 downlines on your left and 15 downlines on your right. So you have a team of 30 people, right? How much of income you have been able to generate after you completed these 4 levels? Let's see. First 2 months, and then earn $225 after your first 2 months, and then 450, and then 900 and 1800. Altogether, your income, the total income, 300 for 2 months, you have been able to generate an income of $3,375, right? How much of members in your team now? You have 15 plus 15, altogether a group of 30 members. How much of time you have been taken for this? 8 months. How to now let's see how to convert this 4 level duplication to generate $1 million. That is the magical part. Up to 4. What happened when you duplicate up to 4 levels? You got 15 on your left, 15 on your right. Completed altogether, you have 30 members in your team. After 8 months, you have been able to complete 1 4 level duplication, and you have been able to earn $3,375. Okay, out of these 15, assume out of these 15 on your left, out of these 15 members on your left, only 3 people, right? Only 3 people will be able to do the 4 level duplication. That means building a team of 30 people within 8 months. That means 3 people building a team of 30 people within 8 months. And from your right hand side also, out of 15 members, only 3 people will be able to complete 4 level duplication within 8 months. That means we need a team of 30 people, each of these guys. So it will take another 8 months. We complete following duplication for the second level, and how much it would be your income. You have 90 on your left now, 3 into 30 and 3 into 30, 90 on your right, 90 new partners coming to your left and 90 new partners coming to your right. So what will be your income? $225 into 90. When you completing your $50. So when you completing your folio duplication for the second time, your income will be 20,250 after 8 months, right? Okay, let's assume out of these 90 people, only 18 people will do the 4-level duplication. That means building a team of 30 people. And out of this 90 also, only 18 will be able to complete 4-level duplication of building a team of 30 people within just 8 months. So after another 8 months, you are completing your 4-level duplication for the third time with your team. And what will be your income after your third 4-level duplication? What will be your income? $225 into so now you have 540 on your left, 540 on your right as new partners after 8 months, after you complete 4-level duplication for the third time. And what will be your income after you complete your 4-level duplication for the third time? $225 into 540. That means your income will be $121,500. $121,500. Okay, let's see the next step, right? Out of these 540 people, only 54 people will be able to complete 4-level duplication or building a team of 30 people within just 8 months, right? And here the same. Only 54 people will build a team of 30 people, right? So after you complete your 4-level duplication for the fourth time in 8 months, right? What will be your income and how much of team you will have? Actually, 1,620 partners will be on your left, 1,620 partners on your right, and your income will be $225 into 1,620. That means your income will be $364,500, right? $364,500. Next 8 months. Okay, now let's go to next 8 months. 160 people, 1,620, only 160 people. Let's say only 160 people will do the 4-level duplication of building a team of 30 people. And here the same 160 will be team of 30 people, right? So how much of members will be there after they complete 4-level duplication? There will be 4,800 people on your left, newcomers, and 4,800 people on your right within next 8 months. And follow duplication for the 5th time. And what will be your income? $225 into 4,800. So what will be income? Your income will be USD dollar 1,080,000. These things. Calculate these things. Right? I didn't calculate these things. When you calculate these things, that income will be much higher. Right? So anyway, you have been able to earn 1 million USD dollars. How much of time it has been taken? 8 months, 8 months, 16 months, 24 months, 32 months, and 40 months. That means within just 3.5 years, you have been able to earn USD dollar 1 million. You guys enjoyed this video. I hope you will be able to apply these things, this duplication, right? The power of duplication, and achieve this target within next 3.5 years, right? Forget about the past. Start from today onwards and do the hard work for next 3.5 years and achieve USD dollar 1 million. The magic, just USD dollar 1 million. What will happen to your organization in the next 8 months, next 1 year? Now you have newly comers 4,800 on your left, 4,800 on your right. You are having an organization with more than 9,000 people, right? It will do miracles after your 4th year. So don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon, because you will be seeing so much of new videos if you do so. So thank you very much. Enjoy it, and please comment, share your feedbacks so I can grow myself further. Thank you very much.